Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? Welcome to a new brand video about Stellar XLM, my brother. In this video, I will give you the very important information about Stellar XLM coin, my brother. Really, there is a chance so they will give you a profit, especially, my brother, in the last days of the month. Every coin will move upward now. So obviously, my brother holder asked me this question to please tell us to when we need to hold and when we need to sell. So in this video, we will predicate this coin, and after that, my brother, I will also share opinion, everything, my brother. So kindly you need to watch this video completely to understand better now. And please, if you are new my channel, so kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos notification. Alright, my brother, Stellar XLM, one of the fastest and one of the stable coin, my friend, in the crypto market. When this coin will starting moving upwards, so obviously very fastly now, but definitely, my friend, when they will fails down, so very slowly. So I like this coin. My brother, this time you can see here the update. First of all, I will tell you the update of Stellar XLM holder. My brother, Stellar XLM team will collaborate a lot of, my friends, companies, and obviously, my friends, there is, my friend, a lot of investors there invest in Stellar XLM. They are buying more and more Stellar, but therefore, my brother, the Stellar XLM is completely and the profit. And as you can see, my brother, this time the percentage of the profit. So you can see here in last 7 is 17% the price is increased. So that's mean to holders are starting investing more and more in Stellar XLM. In last 1 hour, last 1 day, you can see here, my brother, plus 6.8% they will be invest now. The price will be increased now, and you can see here last 1 hour they will be lost. So therefore, this is only, my friend, the short-term investors. Sometimes they will selling, so therefore they will fails down. This is very short fail, my brother. So don't see it. And rank, if you can see, my brother, the markets are 19. I hope, my brothers, they will become into top 10, obviously very fastly, very urgently, but just in only if holders need, my friends, the holder investing. The price, you can see here 0.27 USD dollar, and you can see here the market cap, so 6 billion, my brother, and you can see here 24-hour volume, so 5 million, and circulating supply, my brother, just in only check out, my friend. This time the circulating supply 23 billion, and you can see your max supply 50 billion, and distribution 46.69%. So, my brother, this is the live update now, and just only we need to predicate this one. So let's see, my brother, what's the price prediction. The last 7 days chart is on the screen, and you can see here I will draw 2 arrows. So the first arrows, you can see here touch the highest point, the second arrows touch the lowest point. So you can see, my brother, after a fails they will move upward, and after a jump you can see here every coin will fails down, and after a fails they will move upward now. So you can see here the profit change occur. You can see here 25.37%, my friend. Just in only last 7 days, you can see here the price come to 0.28 USD dollar, and they will be increasing more and more. If you can see, my friend, the last point arrows. So the last arrows is moving in upward direction, so that's mean to the price will be increasing in upcoming days. So kindly holders, you need to hold, and obviously, my friends, they will be moving upward, so you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.